So, if a strategy is not a list of anything, what is it? A strategy is a central rule. You can think of it also as a central policy, a higher level guideline, a principle, maybe even philosophy, even though that becomes a little loose and a little vague because a strategy statement has to have real teeth in it. A strategy is a central rule that you cannot violate until you decide there's a better one. Basketball season is just starting here and Nick Mania is beginning. Not far from here. Nike. Back in 1984, they were a track and field mostly, and they were debating how do we get into basketball, which we are very weak in and have very little presence. Converse at the time was dominant, and Adidas. They had the standard of we're going to spread our bets, we have a little budget, we're not dominant, we're going to spread it around, wait to see how things develop. And one guy there said, no, we've got to do something completely different. We're going to bet it all on one player. Of course, nobody knew Michael Jordan was going to be Michael Jordan yet. But they said we're going to bet it all on Michael Jordan. And in fact, it was more than that. It was we're going to create an image around him. We're going to make it not just an endorsement of a shoe. It's going to be a whole package. This was revolutionary and difficult at that time, and it was very hard for those people to convince leadership that they should spread their bets. What's my point? I'm not going to analyze whether there's good or bad strategies, but this strategy had teeth in it. It was a rule they were following and would not violate at that point for quite a while. IKEA was struggling. They wanted low cost and high quality, but it turned out the competitors would do the low cost part, but they would cheat on the high quality. And of course, it takes time for low quality to be recognized by consumers and the word to get out and all that. And somehow they ended up to the flat pack strategy. That rule of we're only going to do flat pack. Everything they design, everything they conceive of is guided by that rule at this point.